What you don't want to do is make us get it.
Keep going, maybe do some squats or something.
Can you pick your butt with your hand?
Wait,
Hold up. He's been digging his butt crack.
I didn't know it's an accident.
You have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, prod me, guns, knives, drugs, bombs, narcotics, anything of that nature?
Oh.
Okay. So you are going to be going down to county jail with
226.
You are under arrest.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you the same thing I tell everybody else. If you have anything on you that you fail to let me know right now, or we don't find during a search of your person, if he makes it into the county jail, it's introduction of contraband. It's a third-degree felony. Okay? If you have anything on you, I'm giving you an amnesty too.
Andrew, look right here.
that was Clara's.
Is there anything on you, dude? We're trying not to screw you here. Is there anything on you? Use your words.
Just what Deputy Kutowski means by amnesty is not, it's for the fact of saving you from having to get an extra charge in there. Not saying if you give us something now, you're not going to get charged with that. You will, but you're going to get charged with it anyway. You just don't want you to get an extra felony by bringing it to the jail. Because they don't find, they have body scan machines. They find everything.
You don't seem like a bad guy, dude, but you don't need to screw yourself. So
Here's the thing too, you didn't give it a quick no, so that means you have something, you just don't want to say it. We're going to find it, so you just help us out and just tell us where it's at. You've been cool this whole time. I mean, we're going to find it. It's not, you know.
you shook your head, yes. So where's it at?
All right, rather, let's just find it.
You got what?
Is it in or just like under your nuts or between the cheeks?
Between the cheeks.
Okay. All right. What kind of, are you wearing like, what kind of underwear are you wearing?
Cigarettes.
So you'd be able to kind of like jiggle it out down your leg for us?
Pull it out.
Let's maybe bring him over so it's not like what we thought, what's in the bubble? Metal. That's okay. How much? Okay, Brian. What? Okay.
Do you have any you going to be able to figure it out?
Keep going, maybe do some squats or something.
I'm gonna get a bag.
Oh.
Are you getting a bag?
No, I'm just.
Okay.
Get it out. You do like a little hop, like stop the loose. Whatever you gotta do, man. The good thing is you're wearing boxers, so it should just roll out.
What you don't want to do is make us get it. That's the hard do not make us do. Can you pick your butt with your hand?
Like through the keys. Can you whip through the keys and pick it?
It's not happening.
Hey, if we take him to jail, he admitted to having it. We'll let them know that he's got booty dope. Will that be fine?
No, it's not.
Got it?
All right, move your hands.
Just pull down. Is that your pant leg? Put your hand.
He's saying it's still in his ass.
Is it like in your ass?
Between your cheeks and stuff.
Alright,
So,
keep trying to
are
get it
you,
out.
are you guys comfortable with us transporting him as is and just let them know that he's got booty dope?
I mean, if it's just between. I would rather try and get it out here, just to have the chance that it
And we don't
stop
injure
Ricky
him,
ingests it or something. You know what I mean? And we have the opportunity to get it out there.
or we don't injure him by transporting him with glass up his butt.
If we could turn it, we could secure him with his hand spraying, maybe we might be able to. Maybe he might have struck gold.
I'm not coming out of the cups, man. So
What if we just switch it
yeah,
like
I mean, I'm good with that.
it seems like
Alright, face the car.
Here,
Get on the car right here.
spread your feet.
So, step off of the vehicle and now lean your body on it. Hey, Andrew, describe. Is it just a bulb or is there more?
Steps back. There you go. All the way to the car.
Hey, start. No gloves. Hold up. He's been digging his butt crack.
You on?
All right, dude. Rotate your wrists.
Like you're praying.
Sit in here. Look, soften up that arm. You're gonna turn your hand
You're
this
stocky,
way.
dude, so it's probably a little tough.
Here, relax your wrist.
If I undo it anymore, his hand's gonna come out of the cuffs.
Okay.
But
What if I grab a zip tie?
you might just need to freaking take him out of hand.
He's,
Yeah.
he's got big arms.
Just
and
redo it.
hands, so
It's already done.
The other
There
one.
you go.
Hey, listen,
Dude, no one judges you, man. No,
we're just here doing our job, man. It's doing someone else, you know what I mean? Don't take it personal.
do you want to double up those cuffs so that he can maneuver better?
I'm gonna double. Oh.
Okay.
All right. You gonna be able to try to get him out like that? Anything else, man? Yeah, I mean, it can't come with you, but you know, you've been cool with us, so we'll have to do that. Right?
Hey, Katowski, do you want to throw the rest of that in there as well? Or you want to keep it set? I'll grab another bag if you want to separate. All right.